Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add audio filters in OBS Studio in 2026. Audio filters are useful when you want to improve the sound of your microphone or another audio source. They can help reduce unwanted noise, control volume changes, and make your voice sound more consistent during recordings or live streams. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and locate the audio mixer at the bottom of the window. Find the microphone or audio source you want to improve. Right-click the audio source and select Filters. A new window will open where you can manage the filters applied to that source. To add a filter, click the plus button in the Audio Filters section. OBS will show you several available options. One useful filter is noise suppression. This can reduce certain background sounds, such as a fan, keyboard noise, or other continuous sounds. Another important filter is the noise gate. It can help keep your microphone quiet when you're not speaking. You can adjust the open and close thresholds so the microphone activates when you talk and stays quiet when you stop. You can also use a compressor. A compressor helps control large differences between quiet and loud parts of your voice. This can make your microphone volume more consistent for viewers. The gain filter can increase the volume of a quiet microphone if necessary. However, use it carefully because adding too much gain can also increase background noise. Another useful option is the limiter. A limiter can help prevent your microphone from becoming excessively loud and reaching uncomfortable levels. You don't necessarily need every filter. Start with the filters that solve your specific audio problem and test your microphone after each change. After adding a filter, speak normally and watch the audio mixer.